What's wrong with that question? Where and what is the cheapest advertising for my first product? What's wrong with that question? Little slurp of my tea. Cheapest is not necessarily good. Who are you selling to? Not all products are the same. Depends on the products. Good work, guys. All right, so Gary, the better question to ask yourself, and I find that asking really great questions, you know, your mind can get to work answering that shit for you, and your brain is a bloody unbelievable thing. So you want to give it really good things to work on. So, and you don't necessarily want the cheapest traffic, do you? What you actually probably want is the traffic that will make you the most amount of money for the least amount of investment. That's probably what you're actually looking for. And so that's a different sort of question to ask yourself. So, because the cheapest ads you can post is just posting shit on your Facebook page and getting your friends to try and buy stuff from you, you know, MLM kind of strategy. But that is not, by any stretch of imagination, the best. So what is the best for your product? I don't know. Probably it's going to depend on what the hell you're selling. And advertising 101 for what we do is you must put your advertisements in front of people who are predisposed to buying your products. That's advertising 101. So, and each product is going to be different. So for instance, we just did a product. We just did the knife sharpener for Peter. Well, Peter's knife sharpener, you know, he could put it on Facebook, but what on Facebook? Should he put it in front of people who love dogs? No. Should he put it in front of people who love cooking? Well, that's a better thing to do. What about if he put it in front of people who love a particular chef? That's probably an even better thing to do. It's that sort of stuff, okay? So it's not the case that you want to look for the cheapest. You want to look for the best. That's what you want to be looking for. So get the mindset of cheap out of your head and replace it with what's going to be best for my product. And that will give you a different set of answers. That will lead you to, well, who's my customer? Where do they go online? What are they interested in? How can I make my advert stand out in a crowded field? Blah, 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 blah. That's a much better question to ask yourself, Gary. Psychopaths like sharp knives. They do indeed. I can't wait. I literally cannot wait for the conference to see you guys. I am so looking forward to meeting all of you. I mean, there's a lot of folks coming back, which is friggin' awesome. But there's heaps of folks going to be new there as well, so I'm really looking forward to that. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.